Ever felt like you're juggling cryptocurrencies? Imagine this: you've dipped your toes into the world of crypto, bought some Bitcoin, maybe even a little Ethereum. You're excited, but then a nagging question pops into your head: where exactly is all this digital money sitting? Is it safe? Does Coinbase, the platform you used to buy it all, have a built-in wallet? Well, buckle up, crypto-curious comrades, because that's exactly what we're diving into today. We'll crack open the Coinbase vault, so to speak, and see if they offer built-in storage for your hard-earned crypto. Now, before we dissect Coinbase, let's rewind a sec. Cryptocurrencies are these digital assets that live on a special online ledger called a blockchain. They're kind of like fancy virtual coins, but to access and spend them, you need a crypto wallet. Think of it as your digital bank account for crypto. It stores your holdings securely and lets you send and receive crypto with ease. Here's the thing: there are different types of wallets. You've got hosted wallets, which are essentially like online bank accounts for crypto. A company like, say, Coinbase, manages your private keys, think super secure passwords for your crypto, for you. It's convenient, but you don't have complete control over your holdings. Then there are self-custody wallets. These are like digital piggy banks you keep on your phone or computer. You hold the private keys, giving you total control, but also making you responsible for keeping them safe. So, which option does Coinbase offer? Coinbase and the wallet wrangle. Alright, let's get back to the main event. The good news is, Coinbase does provide a wallet. But here's the twist: it's actually two wallets in one. When you sign up for a Coinbase account, you automatically get a hosted wallet. This wallet is built right into the Coinbase platform, making it super easy to buy, sell, and hold your crypto all in one place. Think of it like this: you buy some Bitcoin on Coinbase, and it goes straight into your built-in wallet. It's convenient, user-friendly, and perfect for beginners who are just starting out with crypto. But there's a catch. There's always a catch, right? With a hosted wallet, Coinbase holds onto your private keys for you. This means it's responsible for the security of your crypto, which is great for peace of mind. However, it also means you don't have complete control over your holdings. Here's where things get interesting. Coinbase also offers a separate product called Coinbase Wallet, which is a self-custody wallet. This is a downloadable app that gives you complete control over your private keys. It's like having a separate digital bank account specifically for your crypto, separate from your main Coinbase account. Coinbase Wallet lets you do some pretty cool things, like store different cryptocurrencies, connect to decentralized applications, dApps, and even dabble in the world of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. It's perfect for crypto enthusiasts who want more control and flexibility over their holdings. So, which wallet should you choose? The answer, like most things in crypto, depends on your individual needs and comfort level. If you're a beginner, the built-in Coinbase wallet is a great starting point. It's user-friendly and keeps your crypto secure. However, if you're a more experienced user who wants more control and access to advanced features, then Coinbase Wallet might be the better option. Ultimately, the beauty of Coinbase is that it gives you a choice. You can start with the hosted wallet and then graduate to Coinbase Wallet as you become more comfortable with the crypto world. Crypto walletization, final thoughts. So, there you have it, folks. Coinbase does offer a wallet, but it's actually two wallets in one, giving you the flexibility to choose between convenience and control. Remember, crypto is still a young and evolving space, so do your research, understand the risks involved, and choose the wallet that best suits your crypto journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.